How to contact Google Support Live Chat. To start, the most reliable way to access a human is through the Google One portal. Even if you don't have a paid subscription, head to one.google.com and click on the Support tab. If you are a Google One subscriber, you'll see an option for chat or phone right at the top with a 24/7 wait time estimate. If you aren't a subscriber, go to the Google Help Center at support.google.com. Select the specific product you're having trouble with, like Google Play or YouTube, and scroll down to the Contact Us button. Here is the trick. When the automated assistant asks what you need help with, type a specific phrase, like billing issue or unauthorized charge. These keywords often bypass the help articles and unlock the chat button at the final step of the form. Here is an expert pro tip. If you are a business owner or a creator, don't use the standard help forms. Instead, go to your Google Business Profile or YouTube Studio dashboard. These specialized platforms have dedicated support queues that are much faster than the general consumer lines. For YouTube creators, look for the chat with a specialist icon directly in the top right corner of your Studio dashboard. It's the fastest way to get a human who understands account-specific issues. Now you have the keys to the Google Support Kingdom. Getting a human might take a few extra clicks, but it's worth it to get your account back on track. If this guide saved you from a tech headache, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 troubleshooting. Have you managed to reach a Google agent before, or are you still stuck in the help article loop? Let me know in the comments.